Hi guys, welcome to TechxTrader. This channel is for beginners binary option traders who want to start their trading journey and want to become profitable trader. Here I will share premium courses, profitable strategies, live and demo trading, price action, money management. So, I will upload videos regularly. First I'll upload premium course videos. You need to watch one video per day, then practice it in market. After completing the course, gaining basic to advanced knowledge, then we will practice in live market. Will backtest different strategies to see what actually works and to find profitable strategies and their use scenarios. Most importantly, we will focus on our risk and money management, how to control fear and greed while trading. So stay with us in this journey, learn and earn together. They're happy trading.